8 3/4, basically 50% off. Have some dividers. Welcome back to another video. We did get these boxes for $50 with the handle. You guys are subscribed to this channel and you guys been following us. You guys know what's up with this video. You guys know how we got this deal. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Alright, let's get started with this. So basically this is just going to be a rough review for this box. This one's $99 a piece. Right now they got a deal. If you buy this one for $99, you get that for $1. With the deal that we did get, basically 50% off. Both of these come down to about $50. When they do pop up, I post. And sometimes they do sell out in minutes, hours. On height, we got about 16 at its widest. We got about 22. Depth, 15. So you got the measurements from the outside for this box. Feels really well made. Feels really solid. I have no complaints whatsoever from the pack out. I do come from the pack out, so no complaints whatsoever, guys. This seems to be a pretty good material. Pretty rough. I really like the way they made the locks on these on both sides. It prevents from the drawers from coming out. You are able to put a lock right here, combination lock, whatever you guys want to put, padlock. Here's the other side. And then you do have the drawers. Alright, on the inside of the drawers, you basically have some dividers. Put the dividers right here. You're able to put 2 dividers or that way. On the inside, these boxes are about 16, maybe a little bit, about 15 3/4. And then about 11 1/4 deep. It's about 5. Alright, so the dividers basically pretty simple. I guess you just stick them out like that. And it does come with 4, like I said, 2 for the top, 2 for the bottom. Very, very smooth. It does have wheels on the side. So really nice. I really like the quality on these. Really smooth. Then of course you can lock it right here. Lock it right here. Ridgid Pro Gear System 2.0. So the stations here for a half, like a half size organizer or half size, maybe a vacuum, whatever they do as a half. And obviously this is going to be the part where it's going to stick to another box. You do have some sort of handle here. Maybe this is for the cart. It's sold separately, made in Israel. On the top, we do have a handle right here. So you are able to grab this, lift it up. The bottom, you do have some for strength. You do have some more indentations there. And obviously you do have four feet there. And obviously the locking mechanism to lock in other boxes. So we got the cart. Basically, I call it the cart. They do call it the telescoping handle with the wheels Pro Gear Gen 2.0. That's what they call it. Down there we have 9-inch wheels. We got it says attach any of the boxes. It does have all the boxes right there. You guys can attach. You can attach all the drawers. The 3-drawer, the 2-drawer, the 4-drawer, regular box. It does have rubber wheels. It's all plastic. I mean, there's no rubber in here. There's pretty simple. Just squeeze these, raise, lower. You do get stuck there. Brings it all the way down. It does stand in its place, so it doesn't flip over. My guess is this is for the latch for the box. And it does have a nice footrest in case you want to prop it up and take it rolling with you. The wheels, pretty nice wheels. They are 9 inches. Yep, just a little bit under 9, so I would say about 8 3/4. Tall wise, 31. When the handle is all the way down. I'm gonna have to hold it because it does not stay in place when it's handles all the way up. Alright, when the handle is up, it's about 41.5. Back down again. Alright, I like it how it stays when it's down. Alright, when it's down, from wheel to wheel, we got about 25.5. The card itself, without the wheels, 4 inches wide. Those latch on to these. Alright, the box does latch onto these on here. So basically, you put it all the way down. You grab it, because you can use these as handles as well. That's it. Make sure you slam it into place. And there you go, guys. You got yourself a rolling box. Of course, if you want to release it, if you want to switch this box or anything, pull this handle. Pull this handle and then just pull this up. You do have to use both hands. So you guys do see, very easy process. We do have some accessories that can be, and you can put some accessories there. Really nice box. Little on the wider side, but alright guys, that's it for today. Just a short video about this toolbox. Make sure you guys stay subscribed so you guys won't miss any of these deals. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.